So, Bo, we got a box for you today. Let's look what's inside it. This came from Ryan up in New Hampshire. Let's see what we got. Oh, using enough tape. There's a blankie. Oh, you like blankies. You like blankies. There you go. You got blankie. All right, let's see what else you got. Oh, what's this? What's that little hedgehoggy thing? You got a hedgehoggy thing too. What we got? Oh, antlery things. Oh, those look good. I like those. A pig ear. Put that in the bag. Thank you, Sean. Oh, and a nice big old meaty bone. Look at that bone. Oh, yeah. Pig ear. Oh, and some chocolate chip cookies with the white chocolate on them. Oh, yum. I almost want one myself. And oh, another pig ear. Oh, he's gonna like those. What is this? Bakery quiche bites. Oh, you gotta try quiche bite. Dang, this stuff looks tasty. It looks tasty, Bo. You want one of these? There you go. Good boy. Yeah, that looks good. That was laying right here. Puppy butters, those cookies, dog cookies, but they look like people cookies. Maybe if I put them on the counter and don't tell Mama, she might have it. I would be in some trouble. And we got 2 more blankies. And you got to share one of these with your friend across the street. Yeah, hopefully gets one of these. All right. Oh boy, you already like that little thing. Here you go. All right. Thanks, Ryan. He enjoys.